Hi all. Uh, so in this video we will learn about descendant and descendant or self keywords, right? Right. We will directly go with examples, right? So I have already written a XPath, right? So which is this one, right? This is actually a div, right? That div area of that XPath axis navigation playground. Then you can see that I have captured that XPath through ID. That ID is company root, right? Uh, so what can I do is I can say like descendant star. That descendant star gives all the uh, all the that means all the elements which is after that specific node, right? And after that specific node, but it belongs to the hierarchy, right? So descendant means it should be a child or a grandchild of this specific div, right? Okay. In here this is 1, right? That means 1 of 25, so which is id company root. It is child of id company root. Yes, it's okay. Then div is also a child of that id company root, right? Both are child. If you navigate to this one, here this one h4 is not a child, but it's a grandchild, because it's child of div id qa department. So id qa department comes from the hierarchy of company root, which all are comes from same hierarchy. That hierarchy starts from id company root, right? So likewise all the 25 tags it is derived from id company root node, right? So instead of that is star, if you type like div, right, you can say it gives only 8 div tags, right? It gives only 8 div tags. So it reduced to 8 because it takes the hierarchy, it takes the same hierarchy, but that element is a div tag, not all elements, right? Okay. So I just put the star again and I give the keyword. Here you can see now 25 descendant or self, then it becomes 26. The reason is, the only thing is that returns the hierarchy with itself, right? So that's why it gives 26. It comes so once you put a descendant, it gives 25. This also gives same 25 plus itself tag, its own tag, right? Okay, hope you can understand descendant and descendant or self tags.